Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Automation Station here with the PeakBot co-founders Dillon and Ben. Ben, how are you today?
Doing good. Coming off a short week in the market, closed half day for Christmas Eve, closed a full day for Christmas, and that leaves an impact on the markets for sure.
Yeah, it's been a weird week. These short weeks always get a little weird. I always get a little weary. I know we're trying to keep emotions out of things here, but this is man and machine, right? And so, less premium to be earned this week, maybe a little more exposed. I don't know. It's been weird, but got a lot to go over here today. Of course, no Thomas. For those of you who are missing Thomas right now, the few of you who that may be, Thomas is in recovery mode, had a little surgery. He's fine, but he's not going to be live on camera here today. I bet he's back next week. So we do have, and Ben, I don't know if we chatted enough with Thomas on this in the last hour or so. I see him typing in our chat now. I think we're going to get virtual picks from Thomas.
I think so.
So we'll see what happens there. We do have our picks to review from last Friday that are expiring today. We're going to do that. We're going to take a look at SPY. We'll do some analysis heading into next week. Full week? Or no, are we interrupted again with New Year's next week?
Closed on New Year's Day. Full day New Year's Eve.
Okay.
Closed New Year's Day.
All right. So just one full day closed. We just got Thomas's picks. So that'll happen. Ben, of course, hands-free trading in a few minutes here. I don't know if you have any trades entering. I got a lot of my stuff set to smart exit just because I didn't have time to make my adjustments this morning.
You know what? I didn't make any adjustments either. I'm going to smart exit my positions as well.
Wait a minute.
You reminded me.
Yeah, you got to do it now. Cross accounts.
I did. Done.
All right. So for me,
I did also, sorry to cut you off. I did also scale down on my iron condors because I've just been getting blasted. On my iron condors. It has not been a good month for condors.
What I think we should do is, in the absence of Thomas and the time that we'll have back for his picks, etc., maybe we just take a quick look at our portfolios, closer look as to how you're scaling down, etc. So let me just share my screen. Let's get me out of the way here, just so you guys understand, since I won't have, actually, I'll have one QQQ Condor going live here. So here's my account quickly. This is my primary PeakBot account. I have 3 different ones that I trade right now. As people know, Walmart, okay, I get it. Gig was up. I finally got assigned. I've spooked it out, I think, a little bit, talking dirty about moving it to trend spread, and it wanted to show me not to be messing around. So I was assigned on both of these last week. That rarely happens, but I was assigned on Walmart and DraftKings. Walmart's recovered nicely. If we, I'll log in my account, whatever, I don't even care. So you'll see that Walmart has recovered. My sold call is just in the money, just above at 91.21 here. So I own those shares. I own DraftKings. That's a pretty decent unrealized loss for me. I think I got assigned at 40 or 42 on DraftKings. So those are going to be expiring today. DraftKings is out of the money. Walmart, I got one leg in the money, which means right now I would be getting rid of those shares. And then here's my Qs. This is my debit order from yesterday and a debit order that I have open for today's. So we should see a new Condor entering. And then you can see what's left of my trend spread positions on here, just Roblox. So that means everything else in here already took profit. J&J, Google, and Pepsi. Ben, those are popular PeakBot picks trades that I couldn't resist anymore in my portfolio.
Yeah, well, you said it last week. If we keep up with the win rate that we've been having,
what are we doing?
Why don't we just trade what we're picking every week? I mean, we do sometimes.
Yeah, and look, there's discrepancy in how I would go about automating my portfolio versus my play in the PeakBot picks competition. But you're right. At some point, it's just like make it work. We're winning. So And they're taking profit early, which I love, freeing up some capital to make some more moves on the daily condor.
Get that risk off the table.
Yeah, trend spread update. Again, taking profits now, 60% on Monday, 70% Tuesday, 80% on Wednesday and Thursday. So I love seeing that. I do have Iron Condor 0 active today. Does that trade today?
I'm getting some trades.
Trades.
Oh, I literally just got all of my trades.
All
okay.
Right,
these are my condors. SPY, Qs, XSP. Like I said, I'm scaling down on those. So just one condor today. I have 2 condors. Well, half of the condors have closed already, but I was trading 2 condors yesterday into today. Another losing day for them, unfortunately. So gonna scale down even further, just do 1 condor on XSP, QQQ, and SPY until we start to see things kind of flatten out. And yeah,
so
been brutal.
So your Q's filled at 111. Mine filled at 110. So congratulations.
Yeah, so it looks like there's
I'll pull yours back up. Go ahead.
It looks like there was an issue with the strike prices on the Qs from the data that we use. So gonna have to take a look into that. And then the call side is just the normal dollar spread. So that would explain why we got a higher dollar value.
Yeah, I was going to say, okay, so our put's 5 wide, at least mine is.
Yeah, the put's 5 wide there. Again, sometimes that happens with the data provider that we use. XSP is fine. SPY is fine. So it's just the Qs here. So if you are trading Iron Condor on the Qs, you might just want to have a look at this and manage your position as you wish. And there will be a note going out about that later.
That's why we do it live. Talk about full transparency. You saw it here.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes there's just nothing you can do with the data that comes in. You know, our bots read data from third parties. We're not, we don't have our own data at PeakBot, so we've got to rely on third parties. And yeah, sometimes that happens, and we've got to we'll go with the flow here. So I mean,
make adjustments. For
me, I'm probably just going to buy another put, make a $1 spread, and then
get rid of the other one.
I mean, what's the value of that other put right now is what I want to know. So the Qs, so the $10 put, yeah, it's at 55 cents. I got it for 55 cents, currently at 57 cents. So I will, should I just do it live?
Yeah, because I'm going to do exactly what you do right now.
Okay. All right. So this is how I'm going to handle this position. It will create a day trade, just so you know.
That's fine.
But I'd rather create a day trade than leave myself exposed to $500 over the weekend. So this is what I would do. You don't have to do it. Let's get the not financial advice scrolling on screen here.
Sure. 1 second.
But we've got this put at 510 that we want to bring up to 514. And it looks like we've already made a few bucks on it. So that's good. So I'm going to come down here, and I'm not actually going to place these trades at the same exact time because Tradier might reject, any broker might reject the order because we'd be leaving a naked put option on the sold side. So that's a risk that we don't want to take. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to QQQ. I'm going to open up the chain for Monday. Make sure my expiration is Monday. And we can see here that I currently, oh, see, look, those strike prices aren't even available for Monday. The only strike prices available are 515 and 510.
I'm seeing the same thing.
It wasn't a data issue. It's a contract availability issue. So in that case, for me personally, I'm willing to take the day trade to just close out of that side of the spread. So what I'm going to do that is I'm just going to come back down to my positions. I'm going to check my Qs here, Qs here.
Which other one did you select? The 510 and what else?
The 510 and the 515. Okay. So both of my puts. So I'm just going to close out of the put side. I'm going to click close position. And then, we got the prices floating around here. I kind of just want to get out. I'll probably take, maybe like a $5 loss on the trade. I'm just going to put it in at the ask, which is 95 cents. Preview, submit. That's open. That should fill in just a miss. Yes. Okay. We filled there. So now for my Qs, I only have a call credit spread to hold over the weekend.
All right. Me too.
All right.
Get it live, man and machine.
There we go. Dillon, we'll have to clip this and send that out to our Iron Condor traders.
Absolutely. All right. Perfect. Glad we did that. What other trades did you get? My Qs was the only trade I got, managed out of it just here now manually. So you got all your other Condors were good. Did you have any trend spreads rolling or opening new or no?
No, I'm smart exiting on all of them. So
That's
we'll
right.
see that happen in just a few minutes here, but I'm preparing for Trader Trivia at the moment. Then I'll put my screen back up.
Cool,
So,
no problem.
Dillon, maybe have your screen ready to go in case we do start to see some trend spread. But why don't we move into Trader Trivia?
Let's do it.
Cool. All right. Some Trader Trivia here. And this is something new that we're doing. It's if you text the correct answer to 973-888-1166, that's the number right on screen there. If you answer the question correctly and you're not currently a PeakBot subscriber, we will give you 3 free months of a basic subscription. We'll send you the link of where to go to get signed up and everything. Again, re-emphasizing new subscribers only. So if you're a current PeakBot subscriber, thank you very much. We're happy you're here. And if you're thinking about using automation and you don't know if you want to, dabble in it or not, here's your chance to do it for free. And here we are, OP King. Shout out. Thank you, my man, for being here. All right. So the question is, which stock holds the title of the most expensive publicly traded stock in history? Is it A, Amazon, B, Tesla, C, Berkshire Hathaway, or D, Alphabet? So while you guys are thinking about the answer to that, let's head over to the Did You Know part of this page. So again, text your answer into 973-888-1166. So Dillon, this Did You Know, I literally just pulled it up on GPT, so didn't fact check it or anything.
Okay.
But here we go. This is what GPT gave us. All right. So, and I didn't even read it, to be honest.
All right. Let's see what it says.
So the phrase blue chip stocks originated from poker, where the blue chips hold the highest value. It was later adopted in the stock market to describe large, financially stable, and well-established companies known for their reliability and performance, like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Microsoft. I mean, that sounds believable to me.
I'm ready to believe that.
Yeah.
I'm ready to believe that. When we play poker, what color do you have as most expensive? I don't think it's blue.
Blue is right in the middle. We go white's the least expensive, then red, then blue, then green, then black.
Got it. Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah.
Look, if anybody feels like this blue chip story ain't checking the box for them, you let us know. But I'm ready to believe that that's the case. We can fact check it after the show. Again, trivia question. Text it to the number on screen, okay, for 3 months free of our automated trading. Stock trader in your pocket. Connect your broker. Let the bot do the rest, okay? Which stock holds the title of the most expensive publicly traded stock in history? Amazon, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway Class A, or Alphabet? Google. I have my answer. I know every week we get to this point in the show and everybody starts getting worried, like, is Dillon going to know this softball of a question? I think I know.
Okay. All right. We will get to the answer in a second. I did just fact check the Did You Know? And Investopedia agrees. So
okay. Then we're in.
I'd like to say Investopedia is a reliable source.
Ben, then I think that, as our identity as co-founders in the trading space, I think next time for poker, blue chip, sorry if it's going to mess anybody up. Blue chip's moving to the most expensive value.
Yeah. Well, the reason why I chose green and black as the more valuable chips is because I have less of them.
Okay. All right. It's a supply chain issue. This is a supply and demand thing. Okay.
All right. So we ready for this answer? Let's get those final texts out. We got some answers flowing through. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is Berkshire Hathaway. So as of 2024, one share of Berkshire Hathaway Class A trades for over $500,000.
Right now, you want to guess at what it's at right now?
Yeah, what is it at right now? Because I don't know.
683,000.
683.
North of 683.
Wow.
Yep.
That's a couple
insane.
Bitcoin right there.
Yeah, just a few. Awesome. And the other ones, although among the most expensive stocks, arguably top 10, no, not some of them, not really. But although others are expensive stocks, it's just not even close. I mean, is there a stock that's anywhere close to Berkshire Hathaway Class A?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. So anyway, very cool. Good trader trivia. For those of you who texted the answer correctly, we'll be in touch, getting you your free quarter. Ben, if you didn't have any trades entered, I'd say let's review our PeakBot picks from last week.
Yeah, let's hop into that review. I've got my screen ready with a chart up, so we can start going over these picks here.
Let's do it. So last week on 12/20, we selected contracts from our trend spread watch list and put credit spreads for PeakBot picks. So Thomas will go first, okay, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Thomas had 2 bulls and a bear. He was bullish on CVX to earn $46.50 in premium, trying to stay above 140.
And he did.
And look at that chart. I mean, okay, just the turnaround there.
So I think Thomas's logic was, hey, look at this dollar value here of 140. Looks like there was a bounce off of I'll call it consolidation and a bounce off of 140 back in September.
Yep.
And then it looks like another bounce at the end of September. And I think he was counting on another bounce now, and he got it.
Can you click 5-day super quick? I'd just like to see it. Yeah. Very bullish.
Nice little bounce.
Okay. Nicely done. All right. Few hours left on these. We'll see what we can do. He's well above right now. He was bearish on PG, I guess Procter & Gamble, for $14 in premium, trying to stay above 172.5.
You mean below?
No, he was below, bearish on it. Yes. 172.5. Okay. Yes, sir.
All right. He's there.
And then bullish on JPM. JP Morgan, $84 in premium to try and stay above 235. All right.
There he is. Kid does it again.
He's looking pretty clear right now. Ben, let's move on to you.
Okay.
You have 2 bulls and a bear as well. You were bullish on MSTR. That's MicroStrategies, right? One of everybody's favorite stocks as of late. To earn $559 in premium, you want it to be above 330 by the end of the day today. 330. Oh boy.
Oh boy. We're cutting it close here.
Show me 5-day.
5-day.
Oh boy.
Oh, we got a bounce back on the 23rd. What was that, Monday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Bear City since then?
Well, bounced back up on Christmas Eve and then just been leaking since yesterday.
We're going to need a close eye on this. Let's try to remember to check on it before we log off.
Yep.
Very close on MSTR. Ben, you were bullish on Tesla.
Yep.
For 482 in premium to stay above 425 on Tesla. Does it?
Okay.
Done. And then you were bearish call spread on AMAT for 49 in premium. This was kind of like your short thing, if you will, comparatively. And 170, you're trying to stay below 170. Nicely done.
And it is.
Okay.
It is. So yeah, MSTR, that MSTR position is right there.
Go ahead, look
It's
at it
right
again.
there.
Go ahead.
No. We'll check back after we look at your pick.
All right, let's do it. Dillon, we were all two bulls and a bear. That's cute. All right, Netflix, bullish for $396 in premium. By the way, Ben, if you stay out of the money on year 3, you'd take it in a landslide for premium.
Yeah.
So I'm really rooting for, not against you and your financials if you're in the position, but if it's just paper, I'm rooting for MSTR to keep falling. All right, Netflix over 900. Yes?
Netflix over 900.
Oh,
wow.
Hold for 1 minute. Oh,
right there.
All right.
Right there.
That was for 396 in premium. Show me the 5-day, please. Are we in the right direction here?
Wow.
In Chop City.
Big fallout this morning.
And now we're just chopping.
Or that's yesterday, actually.
Just chopping today.
No, that
cool,
is this
man.
morning. Yesterday and today.
All right. Jeez. Okay. Well, another one really close. So me and you, if Thomas squeaks this out because we lose on our 2 right there, that's gonna be annoying. I'm bullish on TJ Maxx. So TJX for 186 in premium, trying to stay above 121.
Above 121, and you are
doing it for right now. And then bearish on XOM for 23 in premium, below 108.
All right. So Dillon, you and I are on the fence for 2 positions here. It's really going to come down to the wire.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get further and further away from my camera right now.
I think you need a. Okay, that works.
All right, I'm gonna stay over here. Okay, so right now Thomas looks to be in the clear for 3 for 3. Ben and I look clear on 2 of ours each, and then you're really close on MSTR. I'm really close on Netflix. Let's see if we can stay above. Now, for Thomas, we need to show his picks first, due to the fact that we have to not select his stocks, right?
Yep.
So let me just take a picture, and then I'll pull this up on screen here, and we can look at his picks. Unless there was anything else we needed to do here, Ben.
Nope. Thomas did pick NVIDIA, Costco, and Procter and Gamble this week. So
yep.
I think he's going after a little bit more premium than he normally would. He must feel really good about Costco.
Yeah. I've never had a Costco hot dog, truth be told. Have you?
I don't know if I have either, but maybe that's where we need to go for a PeakBot dinner next.
All right. We can do a lot of damage at the Costco cafeteria.
Yeah. $1.50 hot dogs. How many $1.50 hot dogs do you think you could eat?
You know, I'd have to size them up, truthfully. But I mean, for a cause, you know, for the right cause or dollar amount.
Yeah.
Fucking 10. Pardon my language, kids show. So sorry.
Really?
You know, nobody said we can't do that, but we shouldn't. We shouldn't.
Yeah.
My apologies.
Can we get the production team to beep that out?
Yeah, don't cut that. We won't be cutting that into a clip. But the answer is 10. So, you know, look, apologies. Now I feel bad. All right, let's move on. Let's get our picks in. So, again, NVIDIA, Costco, Procter & Gamble, off the table. Who won last week? I forget, because we can select order. Ben, I'll just let you determine if you want to go.
I think I won.
Okay, we'll stick with that.
So
why don't you? Do you want me to go then? I would assume.
Yeah, you go, because I like knowing how much premium I need to get.
Right.
Actually, wait. No, that wasn't the strategy. The strategy last week was I went before you, so I could nail the top premium paying tickers
that are available,
and that I feel good about.
So do you want to go first?
Yeah, I'm going to go first.
Okay.
I'm gonna do that.
Ben's going to go first. You get yourself ready here.
All right, so we've got watch list, Got to update that because that updates every 5 minutes. So we'll see the time update over here. 12:17, looking good. You know, Dylan, I was thinking too. It's not. This isn't an exact science, but if I'm looking at a watch list now and you're looking at it 5 minutes from now, the premium payouts are different.
Yeah, you're getting technically, the earlier they're picked, the more premium available. I mean, right?
Yeah, well, even just like intraday movements are going to impact the price and strike prices too, potentially.
So, so you're going first because you're putting yourself in the driver's seat. That's fine. Good decision. Let's see it. And by the way, I always refresh right before I go because it updates every 5 minutes. And right now, you're 4 minutes behind. Is that what you're doing? Are you stalling?
I'm stalling so I could update at 12:20.
Sicko, man. We can be transparent about that. You can let us know. You can let me know that's what you're doing. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm afraid to say anything around you now that you're cursing on air.
Well, okay, dude. You don't have to remind us about it. You know, we're stock traders. We're lucky that there's not more foul language on these shows. All right.
The minute just turned over, so let's just wait. Let's wait till we get the most up-to-date data here.
Ben's looking for a 12.
Do you got the time? You have the timer ready?
Yeah, I do.
Okay,
oh, you're still not
ready.
There.
Timer's ready. Okay, 15 seconds just went by. So, ready, set. Oh no.
Oh boy.
Oh no. What happened?
Is that happening?
Did I refresh right as the watch list was updated?
All right, ready, set, go.
All right, we're going to the detailed trend spread watch list. Hold on, Dylan. It's not dropping down for me.
Pausing. Remain
okay.
playing.
All right. Go. Okay, so I'm going to, for the sake of this competition, sort by premium because I want to get it's still falling too. It's just falling. 310. Let's bring that back up. MSTR 310. Oh man, I don't feel comfortable with that. All right, what's my next option? Tesla bullish for 1250 strike. I think I would feel good about that. Yeah, I think even though we're chopping a little bit here, the 1255 is a pretty solid spot. Give me Tesla.
Okay.
Bullish for, I don't know what I was saying with the strike. It's 412.50.
And your premium?
530.
Okay.
Netflix is close behind. Eli Lilly, bearish, another high paying premium. Let's see what Lilly looks like. Bearish play. It looks like we are in a bearish channel here. What's the strike? $800. Oh man, and we're pretty close to 800. That's right here. It looks like we've been bouncing off of 800. If we do get a breakout, that wouldn't be good. This gap looks like it did fill as well, and we've got a gap to fill up here. So I'm not super hot on that. Leaving a lot of premium on the table. What?
245 remaining. 240.
Leaving a lot of premium on the table for you, Dylan.
Thank you.
Into it. Okay, moderate play. Why didn't I look at Netflix? Netflix bullish.
Because subconsciously I'm about to lose on that and you don't want to mess with it.
880. 880 is the strike.
That's another $20 as we know. Oh, I just got excited. I was in the money, out of the money there for a second.
Wow, that is close. All right, give me Netflix.
You dog.
Netflix.
Bullish.
880 strike.
Premium.
$383 in premium.
Okay. You have a minute
Okay.
52.
Now I'm going to go for my safe play. Thomas already took Procter & Gamble, which has the highest pop here. ENVX. You know what? I'm actually going to sort by buffer. I want to see where we get the most room to run and where we're not at a very high risk. Etsy. Okay. Lower pop. It's neutral, so I could pick direction. I don't want to pick direction right now. Uber. Got a high pop. Good buffer. Nice ROI. Positive EV. Bearish. Are we bearish on Uber? How much time have left?
Minute 8.
Okay, Uber, bearish. We do look quite bearish here.
Little dash.
Strike price is, I don't mind a little dash. Strike price is 63. Yeah, give me Uber.
Bearish.
Uber, bearish, $63 strike, $21 in premium.
You are in with 40 seconds remaining. Well done. Ben is 2 bulls and a bear trend starting here, maybe.
Maybe.
Tesla bullish over 412.50. Netflix bullish over 880. Uber bearish under 63. I screamed like a child when I saw you pull up Netflix for a second, and it was at 900.01, 900 and a penny, and then immediately, immediately went down. Awesome. Sorry, I'm slightly distracted. Thomas down. I've got to keep an eye on the customer service line here. So I'm going to get my picks in and out of the way, and let's rock. And, you know, my position here with PeakBot picks competition has kind of become like the middle of the road guy for, you know, results. I'm always floating around second or booting somebody out of second from a win rate perspective, weekly wins. And also from a premium collect standpoint, Thomas is so boring. You are so chaotic, and I end up in the middle. So let's just see what happens. I'm going to get my screen up here. By the way, if you're into futures and you love our partner like we do, Tradier, as you can see on screen here, you can get 3 months of Tradier Pro for free if you are interested in getting involved in the futures markets. So separate from PeakBot, but here, and check it out. All right, let's get into the picks. Let me see what my watch list, when this updated. We're still working off of, okay, 1227. I'm good.
By the way, Mason was picking up what I was putting down. OP King here.
Yeah. Actually, I already showed that while you were picking.
Oh, really? I didn't realize it.
I didn't give him the audible shout out, but you just did. So very, very good. Ben, I think I'm ready here. If you got my timer ready as well as notes to take my picks.
Oh, I'm ready. Hit it.
3, 2, 1, go. I love seeing all this green here. I'm going to go for my safe pick first. So I'm going to go with the highest pop that's still available. Bearish on Nike, almost a 3% buffer. It's only paying $10 in premium. I don't even want to do that. DoorDash, bullish. Let's see. Over 162.5. DoorDash, over 162.5. I think I was just trading this last week in one of my accounts. If we're trying to stay over 162.5, let's just look at this. We're pretty bullish for the week. 162.5. I mean, okay, we dropped off here, but I cannot be right. Give me it. Give me DoorDash, bullish. 162.5 is my strike, and I'm earning $40 in premium.
All right, you're in.
Okay, I might go take that trade. Couldn't even find 162.5 on the screen in the monthly. All All right. So now I'm just going for ridiculous premium. Tesla's off the table. Did you take MicroStrategies? No. You took Netflix. I'm not touching this Eli Lilly. I don't know enough about it. I want to look for a high pop up.
You gonna go with Coinbase?
No, but I like this pop on Meta. Pretty good buffer, almost at 3%, trying to stay above 575. Meta over 575. Some would call this blue chip. All right, so we've been bearish since the 11th of December. There seems to be maybe a little bit of a support here at this 587. Let's just zoom out a little bit more. Yeah, we haven't come close to, this was just on Christmas Eve on the 23rd here. Let's look at this. How much time do I have?
You've got 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Give me Meta bullish 575 for $226 in premium.
All right.
And now, since I'm not going to beat you, but I have taken Thomas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to high pop here and look for some good buffer. Man, how am I not going to look at this? Sold strike at 10. Never mind. Have you ever seen this EVNX on here before?
I haven't seen that ticker before. No.
You took Uber, right?
Took Uber.
How much time do I have?
Minute 37.
All right, we're looking at ZM over 81. I'm actually trading this one. It's been taking profit for me, or at least still being profitable. We're pretty choppy here since November. Very choppy. Ooh. Okay. I was trying to stay over 81. Pretty bullish. Let's look at the 5-day. Big drop down. Jeez, was that today? Oh, Ben, how much time do I have left? I'm scared now.
You got a minute.
All right, so write this down. ZM bullish 81 for 21 in premium. And then I'm just going to look at this Starbucks bearish under 95. SBUX bearish
45.
95, under 95, under 95. Yeah, give me this instead. Starbucks bearish. Strike price is 95 for $19 in premium. SBUX.
Right. Starbucks bearish. $95 strike, $19 in premium. Okay, so that's it. 10 seconds to spare.
Awesome. Okay, just got it done there. We'll see how those settle. I'm wondering what Netflix and MSTR look like right now. What was your strike on MSTR?
It was 330. I'll pull it up.
And I'm a whole dollar down on Netflix right now. You were 330. You're trying to stay above it.
Yeah. Oh no.
So you're about $1.80 out. I'm a dollar out. And so we'll see what happens. See what happens.
We will.
Right now, Thomas is loving that.
Ouch. Look at that fall.
Yeah, those aren't friendly bars. Okay, Ben. So we got our PeakBot picks in. We reviewed last week's. We made this week's. I'm going to see if I had any other trades. Yes. The only other trade that I was expecting was Roblox to come in. Closed me out. Did not open a new one because I have not looking at my portfolio and any changes I want to be making. So got out of my Roblox here. So yeah, all I have left active is my 2 wheel positions, DraftKings and Walmart, and my Qs that are going to expire today and Monday. So Ben, do you have anything else?
I've got some spreads closing. I had my Anna and my Pfizer and GILD. I don't remember the name of that company. Those positions all closed, and as mentioned, we smart exited those. So, not getting into new positions. I'll have to get that ready for Monday.
Cool. One thing I do want to make sure we mention before we get out of here. We didn't do by the way, we didn't do SPY analysis before we went into picks.
No, Thomas is usually here to remind us of that.
Yeah, he is. He's normally like, by the way, one thing I want to mention, for a full list of PeakBot's products, okay, you can check that out on our Linktree, linktree.com/use PeakBot. Ben, I'm making the live change to this banner right now, if you know what I mean. Okay. Options alerts. If you're not fully ready to automate, we have $5 a week for access to these watch lists that you see here on us, picking these stocks. We have trend spread, wheel, and iron condor watch lists available to you. We have our automation, of course, $29 a month, which I need to mention. Here it is. Go to peakbot.com right now. Activated yesterday, a year-end sale. Okay, 50% off of our automated trading subscriptions, which again start at $29 a month. So you're getting half off whether you pay for your first quarter, 3 months, or you can get 50% off the entire year. So check that out. Go to peakbot.com. Let's just throw that up on, let me just put peakbot.com to claim your subscription. Use code 2025. 2024 was a good year. We're hoping for a better year in 2025. Use code 2025 for 50% off your automated trading subscription here with PeakBot. Valid for new subscribers only. No updates, no upgrades. New subscribers only. Valid through 1/5/25. So go to peakbot.com. Get in there. Our best deal we've ever offered. Matches the best deal we've ever offered. Anything else, Ben?
No, I think we're good to go.
Awesome. Opie King, thank you. Really good promo. Appreciate it. Go ahead. Take advantage of it. Ben, you want to send us out of here?
Yeah. Thank you, everybody.
I'll send us out. So, dude, I'm such a jerk. I'm such a jerk. What I meant was, from a no, we have our producer here today. Ben, I'm going to shut up. You send us out of here.
No, you got it. That's your job.
My camera's blurry. It's just thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. I hope you had a very, very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season here, getting close to the new year. Thank you so much. We'll be live again Monday morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern with Mark from Harvested Financial. So tune in. We'll be live across our socials in the Tradier Hub. Thank you so much, and we'll see you at the peak. Take care, everybody.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.